In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to remove your drive belt with an auto or spring-loaded style belt tensioner. Using the pulley configuration chart, what I'm going to do is locate the auto tensioner. I'm just going to point right down here. This is the bolt that you're going to want to latch onto with your wrench or belt removal tool that you can take and rotate your auto tensioner to get your belt off. Now what I'm going to do is demonstrate how the auto tensioner works. I'm just going to reach down here, and as I pull on this belt, you can see that tensioner moves. It's spring loaded, and as the vehicle requires different loads for its accessories, that auto tensioner will take up the slack. Okay, this is one of my favorite tools for this job, as long as you have room to use it. This is a fit-all or crescent wrench. I'm going to take and slide my wrench down onto the drive bolt. Let me give you a demonstration here, a little better of how this operates. I'm going to rotate this particular vehicle's auto-adjusting tensioner clockwise. As you can see how that works, that removes all the tension from the belt, just like so. Once you have the tension removed from the belt, you can slip it off the pulley and release the tension, and the belt will come right off.